Two of the biggest names in AI chatbots go head-to-head, ChatGPT versus Grok. Which one really delivers? On one side, the massively popular ChatGPT, and on the other, Grok, the bold new challenger making waves. We're testing them in real conversations that count. Accuracy, creativity, sense of humor, speed, and more. Let's skip the hype and focus on what actually matters. Every category earns points, and by the end, you'll know which AI stands out. You might be surprised by the winner. Let's get into it. Okay, here's a mind map of what we're comparing today. Knowledge access, personality and tone, features, integration and ecosystem, language and availability, speed and response, and last but not least, safety and moderation. It's a lot, but trust me, each one can make or break your experience. First up, knowledge access. So ChatGPT is stacked with this massive knowledge base. Honestly, it feels like talking to your super nerdy friend who remembers everything from the past. But heads up, it's not exactly up to date on what's happening right now in the world. Now, Grok loves being in the loop. Since it taps directly into X, it's got the freshest scoop on trending topics and breaking news. Almost like it's checking Twitter while you chat. So if you're all about what's happening now, Grok definitely takes the edge here. Right, on to personality and tone. You know ChatGPT, always polite, sometimes a little too formal, right? It's safe, it's professional, almost like a customer service rep who never has a bad day. On the flip side, Grok is sassy. Genuinely, sometimes it's like you're talking to a witty internet meme. It's playful, a little cheeky, and yeah, occasionally crosses the line for some people. But if you want personality, Grok's giving you the goods. Gotta give it to Grok again, just for keeping things interesting. Now, features. This is where ChatGPT starts flexing. So it's got integrated web browsing if you're on Plus or Enterprise, can code, make images and tables, plus those nifty plugins and file uploads. Seriously, it's a whole toolbox. Some stuff is paywalled, sure, but you get a lot. Grok, on the other hand, has real-time X data, and that's about it. It's way simpler, and honestly, if you want deep features, ChatGPT absolutely wins here. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Grok frequently drops internet memes or pop culture references in its answers? Meanwhile, ChatGPT is over here keeping it all buttoned up and professional. Quite a difference, right? Next up, integration and ecosystem. Okay, this one is kinda lopsided. ChatGPT has APIs, it's in Microsoft Copilot, there are apps using its brains everywhere. So, if you're a dev or you just want it to play nice with your workflow, this is it. Grok practically lives in X and, well, that's about it. Great if you already spend all your time on that platform, but not much for anyone else. ChatGPT's got this one in the bag. Now, language and availability. ChatGPT supports a ton of languages. I mean, it might just surprise you. Whatever you throw at it, it's probably got your back. Grok, though, really shines with English, but not so much if you're trying to chat in like Japanese or Spanish. So if you're international or multilingual, ChatGPT easily wins again. Speed and response. Now, this one's actually closer than you'd think. ChatGPT usually feels stable and reliable, though sometimes there's a slowdown if everyone's online at once. Grok is snappy, especially when it's grabbing real-time info from X, but can get bogged down if something goes viral. Both have their moments, so let's call it a draw. Lastly, safety and moderation. Look, ChatGPT plays it mega safe. Maybe a little too safe. Sometimes you just want a straight answer and you get, sorry, I can't talk about that. But it's really mindful about keeping things clean and professional, which is awesome if you're using it for work or with students. Grok, it lets a lot more slide, which means you might get spicier takes, but also, yikes, the occasional awkward or off-topic answer. So, for most users, ChatGPT wins this round hands down. Let's pause for a sec and look at the big picture. You can literally see on the radar chart, ChatGPT dominates in features, integrations, languages, and safety. But you also notice Grok's edge in trending, real-time knowledge and, oh yeah, giving you a little attitude. So bottom line, if you want reliability, pro-level tools, or you're chatting in anything but English, ChatGPT is where it's at. But if you live for trending news and witty banter and you're glued to X-Grok's probably your vibe. Honestly, both have their moments, but ChatGPT takes the crown for most people. If you liked this breakdown and you want more nerdy but practical comparisons, be sure to follow for more. We've got plenty more AI showdowns coming your